everyone, Dan here with an update on the Cherokee XJ Overland project. As you can see, I've got the pine frame built in. Ended up using 1 by 10 by 8 foot of pine and 1 by 3 by 8 foot. But everything is glued and wood screws in. I have not bolted it down yet. That's the next step, but I flipped the frame around at the back so you can actually see. There's where the first piece of the mattress will be under the cargo area, and the second piece of the mattress will be in the front here. Kind of a diamond shape almost, with a very wide bottom, but that'll be very nice mattress. These seats will move forward, and there'll be another 2 mattress pieces in the front to extend this mattress. They'll be over there, and we'll have very nice mattress covers. It's going to be a great Jeep. So I'm pretty excited. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have an exterior shower / toilet on the other side, and then on this side I'm going to have a on the driver's side an awning, enclosed awning, so there'll be some privacy when you're getting in and out of the Jeep. So all in all, I'm pretty pleased. It's coming together. Next step is to put the flip up lids on top and complete that. Cover them with gray felt to match the carpet, and I'll paint it black, and then I need to start working on some electrical and start getting the mattress cut to size. So I'm making good progress here. This is going to be a winner. I'm pretty sure of this.